Ngahuia Foreman, and I'm standing for Te Papamārearea. Hey, making kaitiaki decisions and town planning decisions that will allow whānau to live on the whenua that they whakapapatu and enact their kaitiakitanga rights. I'll leave it to the whānau to decide whether I am the right candidate, but it's because I care. I actually don't want to do this as an ego trip. I will trust my puku, and if something's not quite right, I will dig in. And I have 15 years odd experience in the public service, knowing government systems and how to work within them to make things better for Māori. Racism and stopping that sort of whakaaro coming into the decisions of the council to make sure our decisions are tika, are pono, and we can move on realising the aspirations for our people.